Welcome. In this very short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable double opt-in here in Omnisend. All right, so first up, what we'll do is just go ahead over to our forms right here and select one of your forms where you wanted to enable double opt-in. Okay, click on it and make sure that it is not live or enabled. Okay, if it's live, you will have a drop down right here and click on it, and the disable button will be available. Just disable it for now, and then let's go ahead and continue editing. Now in here, for example, you have clicked a block, just tap away. Now you'll find behavior, okay, or the behavior section. What we'll do is just click on audience management, click on it. As you can see here at the very bottom, you have verification, enable double opt-in. Okay, click on it and it says here subscribers will need to confirm their consent by email. Okay, if you want to, you can go ahead and set up the double opt-in content. Okay, just click on it and you can customize the content of this confirmation email, including the subject line, sender's name, and the email's body or content. Okay, and once that's done, just hit on finish and you're good to go. This process right here helps you ensure a clean, engaged list by preventing invalid email addresses and spam bots from being added. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.